Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at Grady-White's 236 Fisherman. This is a 2018 model that we're on. We'll start up in the bow of the boat here. First thing that's really nice about this boat is the backrest that you have in the front seating area up here. A lot of boats, you've got to take these backrests out and you got to find somewhere to store them, which is kind of a pain. Well, Grady-White's figured that out. So those just lean forward, so when you're ready to seat forward here, you've got a backrest. If you want them out of the way, just lift them out and fold them backwards. Very convenient. Again, don't have to try and find a place to put those. The beautiful low profile rails on the front of the boat here make it easy for fishing, but also give you some great handholds and the strategically placed cup holders. You never can have too many of them on the boat, so if you look around on the Grady-White, you know you're always going to have enough of those. Of course, you've got some seating in front of the console right here. With a cooler underneath there, so whoever's up on the front has got easy access to drinks and food. Nice high windshield on this. Making our way back, we've got a double wide helm seat on here. Great layout on the helm. We've got the single Yamaha gauge. Instead of having a bunch of analog gauges spread across the dash, you've got one gauge with all of your information on there. I already have the Fusion stereo mounted on this boat. We haven't placed any electronics on here. We want you to pick what electronics that you want for the boat. So if you like Garmin, if you like Raymarine, you've got a great big space right here on the dash to put the electronics of your choice on there. Looking over to the port side of the boat, look at that. You've got some great thick coaming pads on here. And if you feel the firmness on those, you can see that they use some really good foam. They use some really good material. That's just Grady-White all over. They just use good material. They use the best stuff that they can find. Looking down at the floor, you've got tow rails down here. Hook your feet underneath the tow rail. When you're fighting that fish on the side of the boat, you've got some great security so that you're not going to go over the side. Stainless steel rod holders in the gunnels. Working our way back, this back seat back here, easy to deploy, easy to put away. If you're going to be fishing and you don't need a seat for cruising, look how fast and easy. That's way better than our competition. That puts away so quick. And again, when you're ready to fold it out, look how quick it comes out. Putting that away, you need to get to your big fish box back here on the back. One neat thing that you'll notice with Grady-White, if you just look at the attention to detail that they do, you look at this drain down in the bottom. That drain is countersunk down into this fish box. So at the end of the day, when you're emptying this out, everything's going to drain out of there. You don't have to get in there and sponge things out of there. Everybody else likes to raise that up 1/4 of an inch. You always got to get in there and wipe everything else out. And right here, there's your live well. Again, it's rounded in the corners. It's blue on the inside. That keeps your fish calm, keeps your bait alive. And then looking over towards the entrance door on here. Again, this is with all the Grady-Whites. You look at the size of the hardware. You look how it's overbuilt. This is no small latch. These are no miniature hinges. This is heavy-duty stuff. This is a door you'd see on a 60-foot sport fish, not on a 23-foot center console. And that's just the way the Grady-Whites are built. They're overbuilt everywhere. Come see this boat at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach today.